All right, so today we're going to look at describing a sequence of transformations. Okay, so what combinations of transformations is shown below? Well, what are the different kinds, Ms. Zhang? Let's go look. We have reflection. That's when you flip it so that it's a mirrored image, right? We also have a rotation. Rotation means it's turning, right? And then translation is when you kind of just slide it over. You just move it over, but it's still the same. All right. We're not rotating. Rotating means you're gonna keep it at a point, but you're like turning it. And so in this image from 1 to 2, what happened? Did it reflect? All right. Is that a mirror of 1? Is 2 a mirror of 1? No. Is it a rotation? From 1 to 2, did we have to turn it anyway? Did I turn it at all? No, I didn't. All right. It's a translation. All I did was just move it. I slid it over there. So I know it can't be the first one or the third one, right? So then let's look at the second and the last one. All right. So now from 2 to 3, is that a reflection, rotation, or translation? I know it's not a translation. I know what that means. From 1 to 2, that was a translation because I slid it over there. So I know it's not translation. Let's look at rotation and reflection. All right. Did I turn it? Am I going to have to turn it to bring it over there? Or can I just have a reflection, you guys? When you reflect something, all right, it should be like symmetrical, kind of. So is a reflection or rotation? Well, it's actually a rotation, right? If it's a reflection, let's see. If it's a reflection, it would look like this, something like this. All right, that's a reflection. Or you could also reflect it over here. Oh, my drawings are going to be horrible. All right, so we know it's not a reflection. Okay, so now let's go. Oops, let's go back. Let's look at a practice problem. Do I have time? Yes. All right, my videos can only be 5 minutes long. All right, so, oops, move that out. Okay, perfect. Let me erase this real quick. So let's look at this. Remember the words translation, rotation, and reflection. So from number 1 here to number 2, all right, what was that? Was that a rotation? All right. Or I'm sorry, was that a translation? And we only have translation or reflection. Remember, translation is when you just move it. All right. So it's obviously not the same. So we know that it's, oops, wrong one. We know it's not this, it's not in that same position. It's kind of flipped. All right. So it can't be translation. It has to be reflection first. And then from 2 to 3, what did we do? Did we rotate it? All right. Or did we translate it? Well, I know that 2 and 3, it's still in that same position, right? So then it's just slid down. We know it has to be translation right here. So that would be the answer. Perfect. And then I want you guys to try the rest, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to call me, text me, email me, comment on Google Drive, Google Classroom. And then if you're doing well, keep it up. All right. Don't forget to add me, subscribe, like, and also click on the bell for any updates, notifications. Okie dokie.